See if this little bugger lugs is hungry. I would imagine she is. She's hungry bloody. She's hungry most times. Oh, she's looked away. I don't know if she is. Oh no, yeah, she's looked away. Oh, I think she's looking at Shadow. Oh no, I know she's not. Yeah. Bloody hell, she were looking. She were actually looking at the shadow then. That were casting with my light on leaves. Bloody Nora, little bugger. Just turn that light down a bit, it's a bit bright. A bit better that. It's only a bit of a snack for her really, but I can give her a few of them. I've got plenty of adult females. I don't like giving them teas. Just in case they lay eggs, unless you know, not one of me terrestrials what'll literally be out and what'll nab it straight away. I don't mind, but I don't like giving them to arboreals because they can be hidden and away and lay eggs before they come out. It shouldn't take her long to get through to Ed, to be fair. We only being small. She should soon get there. I would imagine she'll be due to lay another oath soon. She's absolutely gorgeous, this girl. Let's move camera around a bit. Oh, fingers ain't wet. Always very professional. Dick. Yeah, she should get there. There, she's getting there now. I like that effect as well on her. I know I like the wing cases a lot, but if it's just showing up, sort of like a leaf effect on her forearm sort of thing. Really, really bonny mantids these. I think it's pretty much knackered now anyway, that. I don't think it is still alive, but it'll near enough chew it in half in a sec. Massive, massive species, this. She's huge. Well, you can tell how big she were with them adult locusts I fed her. I mean, the adult locusts were, adult locusts. I'm coming out with some classics today. And she sort of dwarfed them. And that's an adult cricket, a female as well. And it were a big one. And it's tiny compared to her. Well, she's crunching head, I think, now. Yeah, that's how all she wrote, I think, basically. Still not particularly nice to see, to be honest. I mean, I love seeing this girl eat, but it's not particularly nice the way they go about it. I mean, obviously, you know, mantids are inverts, and I love inverts. And crickets are inverts. It's just unfortunate that they happen to be food. See her mouth parts going to work there and back at head. There's a cricket's jaw there, near her jaw. Sort of tan with black spiky bits. That's cricket's jaw, that. I don't think she'll eat it. Oh, you'd be bloody hot. Yeah, she spat it out. I'm going to say it'll be bloody hard, that. I'll leave it to it anyway. But of course, my favourite bit about her, well, not my favourite, but that leaf pattern on her wing, on her wings. Yeah, her abdomen's pretty big now, so I think she'll have another ooth soon. But that's just out of this world, that. Absolutely out of this world. Oh, that's a good shot.